So we got a chance to do the interior design for this renovation project, and in this video we just want to share with you so that you can be able to see some of the cool designs that we came up with. And of course, most of the things that we did here we were basing on the requirements of the client. It was like, I want this, I want this, I want that. So it's what we were basing on, and we did a lot of iterations because we were trying out different ideas. We do this idea, we give it to him, and maybe it's not okay with, so we try to change into a different idea so that at the end of the day you are able to find out the best idea that suited his needs. So please watch it and let us know what do you think about it in the comment section.